Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie. Welcome to Club Foodie. I like my steak different ways. It can be with barbecue sauce, béarnaise or peppercorn sauce, marchand de vin or mushroom sauce, or simply seasoned. Another way I like to enjoy it is with blue cheese butter. Like any other compound butter recipe, this one is super easy to make. Besides being great on steaks, it can be used on potatoes, vegetables, and bread or crackers. So let's get cooking. Here we have our room temperature butter. My kitchen is a little cold right now, but it's okay. And we'll mash it down before adding crumbled blue cheese. As you can see, it's packed. To this, we'll add some fresh chopped parsley. Not only is it good for us, but also adds some color to it. We'll stir and mash as well until the ingredients are nicely combined. Now, if your kitchen is cold like mine and the mixture doesn't blend well, put the bowl in a microwave for a few seconds. There, that's better. There are so many different types of blue cheese, and the one I'm using right now is from Wisconsin, and it's called Smokehouse Blue. This is an applewood smoked cheese with a sweet flavor in the background. It's very nice. When everything is blended, we'll scoop the butter onto the center of a piece of wax paper or parchment, your choice. And make sure to start the camera. Oh my, I totally forgot. Alright, so we'll gather the sides to compact it. We'll fold one side over and form a log, curling our fingers under to tighten it up. We'll roll it up to the other side and then twist the ends tight before folding them under to prevent it from opening. We'll transfer it to the fridge until it hardens, about 2 hours. And my friends, this is our blue cheese butter. Although exquisite as a topping for steaks, this easy recipe can be used on vegetables, in mashed potatoes, scrambled eggs, and so on. It's another amazing compound butter to add to your repertoire. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!